Hey guys, hope you can hear me. I just got a new phone, so testing it out for the first time in here. But anyways, something came up with me today and I thought I would share it in here with you guys because it's kind of important, right? Okay, our time is valuable. Everybody's time is valuable. So if you see this, say hi. Happy Friday to everybody before I get into it. Hope everybody's having a great day and had a great week. But I'm going to jump right into it. This is not going to be a long video. So when you're online, don't ever let people think or believe or make you think that your time is less important than theirs. Just because somebody either makes more money, has more influence, if you want to say, does not mean that their time is more valuable than your time. Everybody's time is valuable, okay? That's all we have, right? Time is the most important thing. And anyways, it happened to me today. I'm just going to give you a short example. So I had scheduled a call with somebody. I was going to look at a program they had and briefly spoke to her the other day. She was supposed to send me a video to watch ahead of time to see if I was even interested in it, because there's no point in wasting either one of our time, right? If it's something that you're not interested in at all. So anyways, she never sent me the video. So I canceled the call. And one of the questions was, why did you cancel the call? And I said, because I never received the video. So anyways, then she wants to reschedule, wants to do all this stuff. No, first of all, you are not somebody that I want to work with if you don't value my time, as much as yours. So anyways, that's all I wanted to say is, because I know online sometimes people tend to get intimidated, right? You can get intimidated by somebody who has a bigger following, or maybe they present themselves like they have more money or more influence, all that stuff that I said earlier. However, it doesn't matter. Everybody's time is just important. And if somebody's going to waste your time before you even get into something with them, that's probably not a person that you want to do any sort of business with, right? So anyways, that's my tip for the day. I hope it's helpful, and I hope you guys value yourselves and value your time, because you're just as important as anybody else. So happy Friday, and hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll talk to you soon.